Hey guys, JD Nevels here, and in this video I will show you the fight between dollar store crap versus premium brand. When I say premium brand, anything you cannot buy in a dollar store. So on this side I have Resolve spray and mash. I got Dawn and a brush, which I actually didn't buy at the dollar store. I bought it at Canadian Tire here in Canada, and actually that's a dollar store brush, but because they color match and this color match, so I don't know, OCD, I guess. I have no idea. Anyways, so this was my test. I bought a car, and then the whole idea came to me. I'm like, oh, I'm just gonna try to detail, or not detail, but wash my car to the best of my abilities with dollar store stuff versus premium brand. And I was doing my headliner, and it was a horrible video. I'm like, oh my god, I need to do something better, like way better than that, because the movie was shaking, the camera was actually shaking, the whole thing was just horrible in production. So I decided, I'm like, I need to do something. Luckily I didn't wash my sun visors. So this sun visors, or those sun visors, are from this crappy car. And right here I washed it with Dawn. I took a sponge, got a lot of foam, washed this side versus this side. You can actually tell this is still not dry, but you can kind of tell. Versus this side, where I just took my microfiber towel, dumped it with this thing, and just in circular motion went on the surface, and then with another microfiber towel I just kind of washed it off. So you can actually tell right now the difference between this and that. That's just huge difference, and that's just Dawn. And I spent about equal time on both sides, so it's not like I was scrubbing this side more versus that side, whatever. If you look here, you can also tell that there's a difference. But the thing is, with the Oxy stain destroyer, with all the Oxy Boost products, it's not right now, it's within the 12 hours what happens. So even though this side may look a little bit better right now in the short term, but in the long term this may or may not end up being better. So I'm gonna have to wait for 12 hours, which is gonna be tomorrow, and then do the shoot again and let you guys know. So here we are, next day, over 12 hours. They're both really nice and dry, and I have to say right away from the get-go, they're about equally clean. There's no major difference. So you can say this one's cleaner than that one, or that one's cleaner than this one, which makes dollar store crap the ultimate winner of this challenge, because it did clean it up. So as you can see, it did clean it up, and the difference is, you can see it, it's really big difference. And then from the expensive side, you can also tell the difference. Like if you look right here and right there, it's clean. But when you compare it like this, honestly I can't tell. Like, well, this is dirty, I didn't clean that, so, but cloth, I don't know, looks pretty much the same. It really does. So I'll declare ultimate winner, upholstery challenge, cheap crap from dollar store. Hey, if this video helped you out, let me know, give it a thumbs up, and as always, I'm bringing new content every Friday or so. I'm trying to be on schedule every Friday, so there's plenty of more tutorials and how-tos coming up, and just plain old good fun. So please subscribe, and cheers.